came this way. There we go, buddy. There we go. My cousin there? Did he make it?
There he comes.
You good? You good? All right. Let's get a picture. Let's park all right here. Let's park right here and get a picture with the water in the back. Wherever you want, cuz. As long as it ain't in the water.
In the water?
Yeah, in the water. Dang, that Honda looks good. Yeah, no kidding. Dang, that Honda though. The Billy Goat. It's even got a little flex. Look at that flex. I like how you tried to cover up the Honda. Come here, cuz. You're gonna get a picture with us. Then Sergio get a picture with all of us, and then I'll get a picture with y'all. Don't drop my phone.
This ain't even the iPhone X.
Get the hell out of here. Dang, look at those wheels. They look good. Damn. Hey, cuz, I need my phone. There's a good picture right here. Honda just in its natural habitat.
That's not mud, though.
It's not mud. Not mud in my butt. Oh, there's a little bit of muddy water, I guess. Is that what that was? Hey, jump in, I bet you won't. That's like, looked like the Loch Ness Monster for a second. It's freaking huge. I bet you won't jump in, Nate. I'll give you $1 if you do.
$1. Can you sign it?
Yeah, I'll sign it. You better back up. You better back up away from there. You're gonna get eaten, torn to shreds. There's probably piranhas in there too. Dang, those bighorns are flexing.
Would you like to have a moment with her?
I'm just saying it. I forget. It does look pretty cool with the bighorns on, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is right there. See the car? Is that it right there? Or is that a stick? Oh, damn. Damn, there's a bunch of them. Yeah. Cuz, go catch one. You scared or what?
Are they mean?
Are they mean? They're called alligator gar. Do you know alligators to be nice? Nate, you get on Primos. I'll get on this bad motherfucker right here.
No, don't step on mine, cuz I don't want you.
I ain't stepping on you, I'm getting on mine. Shut up.
Hot seat.
Hey, wait. Make sure you get everybody. Make sure it's all square and shit too.
Sideways, right?
Yeah, sideways. Don't just get me in the picture either.
I can just flip you over.
Bitch. I need some armor all. Man, don't even get me started with all that crap.
Ready?
Yep. How come yours looks so much better than mine? What phone do you have, sir?
Got your finger over the lens, no?
No.
Okay.
Maybe.
Alright, let me get down here.
Can't even see Nate no more. Alright, we're good. Can't afford the plus. I ain't on your dad's level, right? I can't afford freaking wet sound bars on my four-wheeler and shit, you know. I'm just saying, he's got one. I don't.
What's this, a light bar?
No, this one. This is a sound bar.
What's a sound bar?
Yeah. Yeah. No, it's facing towards him, so it's gonna.
I know. I just cut it.
Whoa! Watch out! I'm sorry.
Is it on?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you it's on right now. You gonna get you an exhaust now too, cuz?
After this one, if I get another one.
What are you gonna get?
I was telling him I want a Canyon 500.
Okay.
As big as I'm gonna go. I'm too small.
Just get an 850.
I like this because it's reliable. I just want this and something else fast. That's it.
Get a Banshee.
They're fast as heck, but you can't do that like this in a Banshee. They put some 30s on that bad boy.
You'll be going 10 miles an hour. Not going nowhere. You lead us for a little bit, Chris.
I don't know where we're at.
I don't know where we're at either.